Teka. Hi, it's me again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am cooking again today. Chicken afritada. So far, I have started cooking or frying, right, ate? Frying. My sister is at the background right now. She's trying to help me. Say hi, ate. Hello. Hi from Maryland. She's from Maryland. So she's helping me out today. So, if you notice here, I'm going to show you. Whoops. There you go. So, this is the frying. Okay, I have two things going on right now. Right, ate? I'm going to fry the potatoes and the carrots. Okay, so let's go ahead and get some of, let's get my oil. And as you can see, I'm also cooking at the other side. My sister told me to do that, to cook this chicken. I have chicken breast and cut chicken legs and thigh. So now while I'm frying, it's good when you fry the potatoes and the carrots, because because crispy? It's gonna be more crispy. That's what I learned too. So let's try and fry it. It's gonna, because of the water, it's really gonna. Woo! Okay. Sorry. Let's go. There you go. So two things is going on right now. I have the chicken. I am trying to brown it and cook it. If you notice, I put some, this is ginger, to remove the aftertaste, something. So I'll be removing that later when we saute it with the rest of the ingredients. Okay? So as you can see, the other side here is I am frying the potatoes. There you go. Fried potatoes to the other side. It's easy to cook the potato. It will probably be like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, because it's gonna be, just a little cooking. And after that, I'll also put the carrots, the cut carrots. I already cut everything so that it won't take too much time. There you go. So I'm going to get some, set it aside. You notice this one supposed to be fried, but looks like there's like some juice on it. So let me just remove it. Let's remove the juice. I'm still here. Hello, Kuya. Welcome to my vlog. There you go. So it's almost brown now, so I have to set aside this one. This is going to be set aside. It's kind of fried already. So, it's it's better to cook the chicken very well, right? Because the chicken, it's, you know how with beef you don't have to, I think beef you don't have to cook it that well because it could be, but with chicken there's salmonella. Okay, here you go. Let's go back to the food there. So now let's move on while I still continue to cook with this one. So there's two things there. Let's now go ahead and saute some onions first. As you can see, the onions, we do the onions first because the garlic is easily burned. So there you go. Then once it's translucent, I have all the ingredients here in my hand. Once it's all good, let me move this. I think it's better. And I'm gonna cook this first. Okay, it's translucent now, then we can already put our garlic. And so this is chicken afritada. So you can already smell it. It's so good. Now we put our, this is tomatoes. So I put only one piece of tomato because we're actually putting tomato sauce as well. So it's good that if we have some kind of a like chunky, but we have to cook it well. This is the secret all the time, is to cook the tomatoes well, because that's gonna be part of your flavoring as well, right, Ate? Yeah. It flavors a lot when the tomatoes are cooked well, so you can really taste it from the food is gonna be tastier. So we always have to cook the tomatoes well. There you go. And from this time, I wanna put some pepper. Let me put some pepper. There you go. Pepper. The pepper. And of course, now we're ready to put our bell pepper, both red and green. There. This is just my style. And we are going to put more seasoning on it. So before we put the seasoning, we just have to cook it a little bit, the green and red pepper. And now we're ready to move this to this one, which is our, but before that we have to remove the gingers. Okay, let's just remove the ginger. We don't want those chunky ginger. That just helps remove the, what do you call that awkward taste, Ate? Because you put the ginger so that the freshness, like the lansa, what do you call that in English? I don't know what that means. yeah, the taste of the chicken, which is, you know, like, it's not a good. Oh, in the Philippines, we always do that. Eh. We put the ginger so that there will be no lansa. I don't know what is the English for lansa. I don't know, huh? Now it's ready for this. Now I'm gonna move this and transfer this one. Now we're ready to put everything. Now we're ready to put some soy sauce, patis. Yeah. So we put some fish sauce. Okay, put some fish sauce. If there's no fish sauce, then it's not Filipino. We always use the patis. There you go. Then, since it's almost there, we're gonna put now all of this pepper and everything. It's a different style, right? Oops, sorry. Starry night. Oops. Wow. Looks good, ate. Now we have to put the tomato sauce. And then this one will have to be put after.
Yeah,
Later we'll put the. So let's just put. I'm just not gonna put a lot of tomato sauce. I'm just gonna put a small one.
yeah.
Because I don't want to. You know how it's too sour? I don't want too much sourness. So we're gonna just put the tomato sauce and we're almost done. There you go. Here's the tomato sauce. I'm gonna pour it. Yum. So I forgot to buy the green beans, but it's okay. I'll just put some green peas. But you know, I'm still contemplating if I have to put it because the green peas will make, you know, it's easily, you know, ate, right? It will easily,
Already cooked.
yeah, it's cooked and they, I can put some because, yeah. Whatever you have in your refrigerator, put something. Any green stuff. Right, ate? So that's almost done. All we have to do is to put my green peas. So, but I cannot put everything because it's too much. So definitely the rest will be thrown away. Right? It's only a little bit. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Here's the green peas, just to make it look more beautiful. And once it's all done, then all you have to do is put now the potatoes and the,
Your green pepper.
yeah, it's already here. So,
Green pepper, yeah?
yeah, I did. So now you have the complete ingredients for a chicken afritada. Did you see the finished product, guys? It's so delicious. But let my husband and my son judge it. Because they're gonna taste it first, and if they find it good, then I'll see if I have to put. Sometimes you can adjust it if it's too salty or whatever. So we'll see how what they're gonna say. Okay, that's about it. Look at my finished product again.
Sugar, dear.
Oh yeah. Okay, my sister told me we just put a little pinch of
Not pink.
brown sugar
Not pink.
because this will make it. This also is a like a seasoning as well, a brown sugar. I put two, right? Yeah, put little brown sugar. It's just like a seasoning too, because we always put brown sugar whenever we cook any dish. For me, that's my one of my regular thing. I put always some sort of a, instead of putting some ajinomoto or bechin, you put that because this is what it makes it tastier. Right, ate? Wow, it looks beautiful. And I hope it is good enough because as you can see, look at the, so I don't even have to put any water because I think the it produces the juice already from the chicken and from the veggie. So okay guys, that's it. It's easy, right? This is gonna be our dinner tonight, and thank you for watching. Again, if you like it, please click the like button, and also yeah, share it if you want to share it so that I can, anyone who would like to subscribe, please let me know what what recipe you want me to do, so I will try and research it for you guys. Thank you again to my sister, my ate, because she helped me and she gave me the recipe for this one. This is her style, but I did not really follow the exact one because I have no time. But anyway, thank you so much. God bless you and hope you have a great and a blessed evening. Bye.